Here is a wonderful 2020 Hyundai Kona. With less than 35,000 miles on the... Here's a Hyundai Kona, the connected and versatile SUV that brings a fresh sense of adventure to every outing. You'll love the advanced safety features and easy-to-use touchscreen infotainment this right-sized, subcompact crossover offers, not to mention its comfortable cabin and agile ride. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: pre-collision system, lane departure warning, all-wheel drive, keyless entry, heated mirrors, keyless start, premium sound system, satellite radio, lane keeping assist, backup camera. Take a new sense of joy along on every journey in this stylish and connected Kona. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.